To be here today. I really longed for this. Unfortunately, my family is not with me today, but I really longed for it. I tried to be here in time. I, in fact, booked tickets both in air, through train to make sure that I be here. I could not do much after BH. I tried doing MH, but I couldn't complete it. I left it midway through. But I am reasonably successful doing my own practice now. I am a freelancer. I practice in Delhi. I do a lot of hospitality projects. In fact, one of your first 5-star hotel in Nagpur is designed by me. It's coming up. It's going to open in July this year. So I think that would be the first hospitality big project in Nagpur. There are many more to come. And I will keep coming to Nagpur and possibly seeing you all through again if we meet ever again. Thank you so much. Diabetic, though not medically so far. I have 2 daughters. My other daughter is doing MBBS now. She is in 2nd year. My younger daughter is small. She is 10 years old. She's a special child. So I mean, we take care of her. Thank you.
Ashok Ghodeshwar. Ashok Ghodeshwar used to be a handsome hunk of our architecture department.
Late than never.
Oh, thanks. Good afternoon, everybody. I'm Ashok Ghodeshwar. मेरे को याद है वो दिन जब हम कॉलेज में आए थे, उस वक्त ऐसा ही माहौल था. हम जुलाई 81 में कॉलेज में हॉस्टल में ब्लॉक नंबर 9 में एंटर हुए थे. भरत भाई ने बड़ा अच्छी तरह से बताया. और उनका जो कमरा था टॉयलेट के बाजू वाला कमरा, जहाँ पे हमने कन्याकुमारी देखा, जहाँ पे हमने शिमला देखा, कन्याकुमारी सब कुछ देखा. एंड वो जो हिल स्टेशन था स्कूल डेज से जो हम पब्लिक लाइफ में और एजुकेशनल लाइफ में जब आए, तो दैट हैज मेड अस वेरी स्ट्रॉन्ग पीपल. There is no denying fact about this thing. And though we in architecture we were a cohesive family. After passing out from architecture, we remained connected with each other. But with engineering friends, this is the opportunity here. After 25 years, we are gathering, and those faces are still, we are still trying to figure it out. Yeah, the voice remains the same, but there is some deformation in. Maybe this thing is getting out, or some people have become balded, but the essence remains the same. So this is a great opportunity for me to be here. And I am after graduation from here, I joined Delhi Development Authority. I am Delhi based. I am additional chief architect in DDA. I did my masters in urban design from School of Planning and Architecture. And my wife, I think she has gone for a practice session in for some stuff. Yeah. And my wife is also a practicing. She's a computer professional. She is working in NIC CGO complex. I have 2 daughters, diabetic, no, though not medically. My younger one is she's in 7th standard, and the elder one is in 8th standard. Thank you, guys.
Back of the footprints on the sands of time, कुछ चीजें ऐसी हैं कि जो आज तक हम भूल नहीं सकते, because our batch is very peculiar, very special. We never missed any talkies in Nagpur. We visited all the movies most of the times, all the talkies. Every birthday we followed. We had number of celebrations. We practically used to go every day, every evening, every afternoon to chai and such things. Lot of interaction. And one thing which still rings in my ears is the melodious, beautiful song and the voice of Minu. I have only one thing common with her, that my name is Vinayak and she is Vinaya. So it's only difference of K. But nevertheless, her voice is prolific. May I take this opportunity to call Minu and express herself in more detail about her in front of you, please.
After architecture, that means me and my husband, directly joined practice. My husband is also corporate and public sector. I look after hospital and housing. I have specialization in healthcare. Actually ये टोपो 85 जो टाइटल है ना, ये आई थिंक मेरे लाइफ को एकदम फिट बैठता है, because my husband is my पिलांटू. जब हम थीसिस कर रहे थे He was in 3rd year. Actually, first of all, let me tell you that he has done his BSc before coming to architecture. तो हम लोग थीसिस कर रहे थे साथ में. He was my plan to working on my thesis, helping me in my thesis, and even today he does so. And so, but I have one daughter who is studying in Pune at Symbiosis, and a son who is in 11th. And I hope they'll come in the evening to join us. Thank you.
May I now invite Aparna Poranne Deshpande. Please.
I'm Aparna Poranne Deshpande now. Based in Indore, practicing Deshpande. I am also a diabetic engineer, industrial engineer, working with Future Group. And younger daughter is in 12th studies. Thank you.
Can you please come?
Hello everybody. I am Deepa Tamiskar, now in AFRE, and I practiced architecture for some time, and we are into industrial automation. And I actually challenge some of my electrical colleagues with some knowledge of electrical side now, because I am looking after the administration as well as the technical part. Thank you. I have a daughter. She is studying in 9th standard.
I now invite on stage my friend Vinayak Adani.
After doing the graduation, I pursued my post-graduation from Pune. I did it in Town and Country Planning. Then I joined VNIT, then VRC, and after a short tenure as a lecturer, I eventually became assistant professor, and now I am working as professor in architecture and planning. I have completed my doctoral degree in 2008. I was on the deputation of the Government of India, and I really feel proud that I am working in the same institute where I was studying during my undergraduation. I was their primary going, and my wife, she is a housewife. She is a commerce graduate and economist. She was serving, but now she is looking after the house. And thanks a lot. Invite Mrs. Arun Kumar.
Thanks a lot. Now I'd request Vijay Bakore and Rashri Vankede Armarkar to introduce civil department. Thank you. Chairman and co-chairman. यार ये मैं चीज भूल जाता हूँ.
Friends, I am truly honored and privileged that the batchmates thought that I should introduce you all. Probably, after 25 years, we have realized that I was the most outstanding student of the batch. Finally, my hard work of those 4 years paid. बहुत मेहनत किया मैंने 4 साल. 85 में डिग्री मिल गई. Don't laugh, I can give you a scanned copy by email. किया मैंने काफी किया. All right.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am extremely honored, first of all, to be a part of the organizing committee. I think it's a rare honor. After 25 years, my group has recognized me as an able person who could coordinate the things with you, with an able team manager, Mr. Ramesh Meghrajani, and others. Ladies and gentlemen, first of all, before I start my journey, let me thank my alma mater, because of whom I am standing in this society. Perhaps we all should be thankful to VNIT before we begin our journey of Topo 85 reunion, because it is because of VNIT that we have carved a niche for ourselves, and